One of the most common activities during the P&ID design process is the need to adjust the layout of existing equipment to accommodate new equipment or to make space for a design change. This must be done in such a way that the drawing's integrity is not affected. For example, items must remain connected and line labels and other related text should remain legible. M4 P&ID Effects provides sufficient tools that allow you to accomplish such tasks easily and with safeguards for the integrity of the underlying geometry. First of all, we can select the two label text to the right of the tanks, first using the left mouse button and then using the middle mouse button. This is a selection set. With the right mouse button, we can initiate a move from the menu and place the text to the right. When moving integral P&ID components, we need to be more careful. There are several options available. The easiest is to make use of the special Move tool for P&ID components. You can find this in the P&ID tool tray under the Component Load tool. Before you can do this, we need to select the components. Again, by using the left and middle mouse button, we can select a selection of tanks, for example. When we select the Move tool, we can place them to the right. You should see that the process lines that are connected move automatically with the selection. And no matter how you move them, the system tries to maintain the orthogonal geometrical construction of the line. We can repeat this process to move the pumps somewhat closer to the tanks, but leaving enough room for a strainer and the relevant instrumentation. Note that the line label also adjusts automatically. At this stage, you might also want to reposition the line label, or as in this case, convert it to an offline line label, which will free up more room on the process line. Use the special Select Line Label tool in combination with the right mouse button option, Move and Offline Label to accomplish this. An alternative moving method is to select a single piece of inline equipment, for example the flow control valve to the left of the pump, and on the right mouse button there is a Move command, which allows you to move individual pieces of equipment. Typically, this is often used with fittings and valves. We shall move this along the process line. In theory, you can move it to anywhere on a valid process line.